Hello everyone, welcome to Hope, Dream, Believe. My name is Maureen and I am a biofeedback practitioner, a certified health coach, an author, an inspirational speaker, an advocate, and a whole lot more. But what I'm here doing today is putting out some quantum physics frequencies that will help you feel better. It is my purpose to help bring wellness to people I come across. I have many clients that benefit from these frequencies. I have, my family has. So anyway, this is what I'm going to do, and I'm getting these out here on my YouTube channel. And I've had a lot of requests for the pain Healy frequencies. So I will just really quick tell you how biofrequencies work. Everything in this world is made up of energy. And when we sit there and connect with that energy and become open to it, the program frequencies that the Healy has programmed, the company, based off Tesla's quantum physics, Einstein's theories of the future of medicine will be frequencies and energy, and it's here. So we have maintained a lot of wellness in our family because of these things. So here I am sharing with you guys. This is the pain frequencies that are programmed in there, and I'm going to go ahead and do the local pain locally. So when you're ready for this, I want you to prepare yourself. You need to accept these energies coming your way. This is the Healy with the coils in it. I don't know if you can see it, sorry. Right here, it's blinking, and it'll come on green when it's ready to go and connected. This is a wearable device that people put with wristbands and things. My clients are too sensitive to have those currents physically go onto their bodies where they can feel them. That way it's overwhelming. So what I learned to do remotely even was to intentionalize these frequencies to clients, to people. That's what this is for you. I am throwing the intention and programming this. I'm muscle testing this for the people who need it, who will be receiving and watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit a notification when I load up new ones. Comment below to see if this helps you. It just helps other people become aware of the power that they have within themselves, but having these frequencies absolutely booster your immune systems and just gives you that edge you need. Everything's made up energy, people. So let's go ahead and just get those good quality megahertz into you. Before we start, I need you to take, 2 to 3 really good deep breaths. And what that means is like breathe in to your lungs through your nose for the count of 7. And if you can hold it for like 3 seconds, and then when you breathe out, if you can intentionalize that breath to your heart chakra, to your heart, like the organ in the heart, you'll feel that kind of resonate throughout your whole body, and it opens you up to accepting these frequencies coming your way. Okay, I'll have music in the background. The music I have is a 528 megahertz. That's just, you can get it all on YouTube. I'll actually put the link of this one underneath this description. But lots of companies out there have these musics going, but it's a DNA stimulation frequency that just helps support this. It won't interact with it, or it won't hinder it at all. Again, this is the pain stimulation, and I'm going to quit talking so you guys can enjoy this. You'll hear the music in the background. Just take those deep breaths, accept it, and then you can keep going on. You don't have to sit there and do a meditation accepting this. I mean, you can. Sometimes people say they feel it much better that way, but you don't have to. You can go on with your day and let this continue on. It's going to be about a 10 to 15 minute video. So blessings and wellness. I do personal sessions and customized sessions. The link is below, but this is a general session, and I'm hoping that it does resonate with all of you. Okay, we're going to do pain And then do know these are individualized microcurrent frequencies is what they're called. They're coming in. And we're going to go to the next, let's see, pain. There we go. We're going to start it off. Let's take those breaths. Hold. Exhale. Again. One more time with me, please. Hold. And push that breath out. Release the air from your lungs. All right. Let me muscle test real quick. And what that is I'm going to see what this general reading on the frequency strength needs. Oh, wow. 45%. So essentially, this is good for general because 45%, you don't want it at 100%, especially if you're in pain. It'll just kind of like fight each other on the energy while your body's still in its mode. So what this gentle 45% is going to bring in is a gentle frequency of healing and focus on the pain that you're having, wherever it is in your body, your emotional pain. I mean, it hits everything. So enjoy, and I'll check in just a little bit.